Switch to weather right now, and August is really living up to its name.
Yeah, got a lot of clouds to talk about. Basically, the entirety of the California coast is socked in, but hey, that's why we love living here, right? It is comfortable along the coast. Take a drive inland and you're enjoying some heat. Got a little bit of something for everybody, but what we're also looking at is unfortunately a bit of wildfire smoke, not just cloud coverage on our satellite, but you see that right there. That is not, unfortunately, fog. That little pocket of white, that is the wildfire smoke that is surging off of the timber fire that's burning down near Big Sur. So it's something we're keeping a very close eye on, the wildfire smoke from that system. The good news is, for us in the Bay Area at least, that smoke is not heading our way. We're going to continue to see onshore winds and a relatively north to south direction of those winds. That's going to keep that smoke away from us. So the air quality, not bad in the central and northern parts of the state. But over the southern parts of the state, not only is it hot, but it is also going to be a bit smoky out there over the next couple of days. So it's something we're going to continue to keep our close eyes on for them. But luckily for us, it is going to be really nice and non-smoky and comfortable. For any outdoor plans, you should be good to go. It was a few degrees cooler today compared to yesterday, and the reason is because of all the fog, and you can actually see a little eddy that's forming just off the coast, and this is allowing all of that marine layer to surge inland, kind of acting like a gear to pump in that moisture from the coast, which is the reason that it is a few degrees cooler today compared to yesterday. The reason we can barely see the Golden Gate Bridge. Hope you enjoyed it yesterday because it was beautiful out there. Today, socked in by that fog. Temperatures a few degrees cooler across most of the Bay. Low 60s right now in downtown San Francisco, upper 70s in San Jose, and then upper 80s in Concord. So it's all about the microclimates this time of year. Inland East Bay, definitely the hottest, and it's only going to get hotter over the next couple of days. It's all location dependent, though. Between about noon and 1 p.m., that's when the fog officially cleared in downtown San Francisco. And downtown, you saw a lot of sunshine and blue skies. It's just the western half of the city over the Golden Gate Bridge that the fog is very, very tight along our coastal communities. But again, it really does not take a very long drive to enjoy the more comfortable conditions. If 60s are too chilly for you, you'll find 70s within about a 10-15 minute drive. Again, it's all about the microclimates this time of year. We're going to continue to see that fog hanging on tight to the coast through tomorrow, keeping those high temperatures sitting in the mid 60s. Although if you head down to Santa Cruz, it is going to be a lot warmer because they're not going to be dealing with nearly as much fog, potentially in the upper 70s to near 80s for Santa Cruz. So if you want to enjoy some warm beach weather, head down south. Areas by the Bay, you're going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s, and inland, you're going to be in the upper 80s to mid 90s. All depends on location. It is going to continue to be quite a lot more comfortable along the coast as usual for this time of year. Wednesday should be the peak of the heat, though. Inland areas are going to be sitting in the mid to upper 90s out there. Definitely not going to be reaching that triple-digit point. And even along the coast, I wouldn't be surprised if you saw some low 70s hanging out Wednesday and into Thursday. So warmer weather is on the way, not lasting for long. And overall, it's not crazy hot. It is just warmer through Wednesday and Thursday, cooling down by Friday into Saturday, Sunday as the marine layer returns in full force. And then the potential by the time that we head into the end of August and into September for widespread below average temperatures across the Bay Area. So if you like the warm weather, hey, get out mid this week when it is warm, because I can almost guarantee by next week, in the end of August, it's going to be a lot cooler out there. So again, it is all about what you like to enjoy this time of year. Back to you, Ryan.